Welcome to a course in discrete mathematics. This is lesson 0, the introduction to the course. So I'd like to get started by describing how this course is supposed to work. This is going to be an attempt, as much as I can, to simulate a university course in discrete mathematics. And so that will mean lecture videos, but it'll also mean a schedule of reading assignments as well as assigned exercises and exams. The exams and the exercises, these will all just be practice problems that I make up and show in the videos. You should jot them down, make a good attempt at solving them on your own end, and then compare your answers against the solutions that I show in a later video. And so we will have a course textbook. That textbook will be Discrete Mathematics and its Applications by, I believe it's Kenneth Rosen. I will be working from the 8th edition, but it shouldn't matter if you use the same edition because I will be making my exercises, so you shouldn't need to refer to the textbook for the exercises. And I will also be assigning the reading by describing the content. So I'll mention the section numbers for the 8th edition, but I'll also just tell you what the content of those sections are. So if you go back and get any cheaper earlier edition, then you should still be able to follow along. So next, let's just mention some of the topics that will be covered in this course. They will be topics that are completely standard to a university discrete mathematics course. You can see the list here. So they will include logic, sets, algorithms, number theory, induction and recursion, combinatorics, probability, relations, graphs, and trees. And next, let's discuss the course prerequisites. So there's going to be no real prerequisite here other than a good previous exposure to basic algebra and geometry. I mean, your skills in algebra and geometry should be pretty solid, but really the prerequisites are nothing terribly fancy. And finally, I just want to close this video off with an invitation to ask questions during this series. So if you see anything in the textbook, if you see anything in the videos where I discuss an exercise, a lecture, whatever, and if any part of it is confusing, then please leave a comment in the corresponding video. If it's quick enough, then I'll just answer it in the comments. But if it's a substantial question, then I may end up making a video to address the issue. And so, all right, in the next video, we'll get started.